guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be talking all about Dot & Key skincare. I have tried so many products by that brand, so I thought that why not share my experience and what to buy and what not to buy from the brand. Also, I've heard a lot of controversy about this brand and its packaging, so let's discuss everything about the brand and its product. And without wasting any more time, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel first. Do subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. Before I start talking about the products, if you guys wish to purchase anything from Dot & Key Skincare, then feel free to use my affiliate code, which is Raina10. I'm gonna leave it on the screen, and also I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below. So first, let's talk about the brand overall. I know there has been some controversy about the packaging, but I think literally every single Indian brand copies some of the other brands' packaging, so I don't think that's a primary matter to be discussed in this video. So when we talk about the actual products and the ingredients, I think they are in the game. They do come out with a lot of new products literally every single month, and also they're always including popular ingredients in their products like AHAs, BHAs, vitamin C and so many other new ingredients. So I think they are so in the game and one of the best skincare brands in India. Also, all products by Dot & Key are with natural botanicals. They're cruelty free, they have no nasty chemicals, and also they're dermatologically tested. I do agree that they don't have any nasty chemicals. They're made in India. They do have some hits and misses which we will be talking about, but it is according to my skin type, so obviously it might work so differently for you guys. So now let's start talking about the products that I have. I'm going to be starting with moisturizers first. I have two moisturizers from Dot & Key. Firstly, the packaging is like so cute. I love Dot & Key's packaging. They look really cute, but I do think that they're not very practical because it's like heavy glass bottle. So if this falls down, it will definitely shatter and break into pieces. So yeah, I don't think it is very practical. This jar packaging looks super cute on your vanity. Like right now I have a full-on collection of Dot & Key skincare and it just looks so cute. So yeah, I do like their packaging, but I also don't think it's very practical. So as I said, I have two moisturizers from the brand. The first one is the Green Screen Skin Detox Smoothie Day Cream, and this one has SPF 20 in it. It's basically a day cream. And the second one is the 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. If you guys know, this is like the newest launch by Dot & Key. So yeah, out of these two, I think this one is my most favorite just because I have dry skin. Otherwise both the moisturizers are good. This is a day cream. So this is how the texture of the product looks like. It has a creamy texture, it does not have a gel-like texture. And yeah, also these products come with spatulas in it, so if you reach like till the bottom, you can still scoop out the product. However, I again don't find this very practical, but it's better than actually dipping your finger inside the jar. So this is the texture of this moisturizer, and yeah, there's actually nothing really bad about this cream, but it's just not my favorite because I have extremely dry skin, as I said. And even though this is very moisturizing, it will mattify your skin in a couple of minutes. Like it will not look very plump and hydrating. For my skin especially, I have really dry skin, as I said. I need something that will make me look very plump, very hydrated, and I don't really like mattifying moisturizers that much. So as I said, everyone has different skin types and skin textures, so it completely depends on what you prefer to use on a daily basis. This is not my favorite, but it's actually a nice product. It's not a bad product, plus it has a little bit of SPF in it, so that's a great thing. Now let's talk about the ingredients that are there in this product. So this day cream retails for 845 rupees, and also the ingredients are vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, avocado, kale, green tea and vitamin E. So yeah, these are like the main ingredients in this product. So it's an overall nice moisturizer, but do I think it is worth 845 rupees? Absolutely not, especially for my skin type. I think there are better moisturizers out there in the market which are made in India, which are cruelty free and all, and they don't hurt your pocket. So yes, this is all I have to say about the product. I think if you have normal skin type, normal to slightly dry, then you will definitely enjoy this cream. Even if you have oily skin, you will like this cream. But if you have extremely dry skin like me, this much moisture and hydration will not be enough for you. So if you have really dry skin, this 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics is actually what will work for you. This one is something that I really like. This one has a very nice gel-like texture. It is very hydrating, very lightweight on the skin. I'm gonna show you guys the texture. So this is how it looks like once blended. It just leaves your skin so plump, so hydrated. So yeah, this is something that will work for all you dry skin people out there. If you have extremely dry skin, you will love this. And the main ingredients in this product are hyaluronic acid, grapeseed extract, probiotics, prebiotics, I don't know what is that, fermented rice water, and kombucha. So hyaluronic acid is like the main ingredient in this product, which is like a water bank for all dry skin people. So yeah, if you have dry to extremely dry skin, you will definitely enjoy this product. It's a really great product for dry skin. Now let's talk about one of my favorite products from Dot & Key, which is their sleeping mask. I am obsessed with their sleeping mask. Even my mom is so hooked onto those products. I'm gonna share my favorite ones, actually the only ones that I've tried. So the first one is the Dot & Key Skin Plumping Moisture Infusion Water Sleeping Mask. This one, as you guys can see, is completely over. So this one was like a blue colored gel sort of a consistency, exactly like the probiotics one. If you keep both of them side by side, you cannot even identify which one is which product. So yeah, if you guys don't know what sleeping masks are, it's actually like a moisturizer only. It's very similar to a moisturizer, a gel-like moisturizer that you apply on your skin during the night time and you just leave it on overnight. And yeah, it just leaves your skin very plump, very hydrated. You wake up with very nice plump skin. So yeah, I really loved this one specifically by Dot & Key. I think it was so worth the money. Main ingredients in the product are hyaluronic acid, chamomile extract, Bulgarian rose, and cucumber. They also mention the type of scent that is there in these products. They are not fragrance free. They do have some fragrance. Nothing that really bothers me. I find it very therapeutic, like the scent that these products have. I think they have a very floral sort of a scent. As you guys heard, it has hyaluronic acid. I think hyaluronic acid is just perfect for dry skin. Even this one with hyaluronic acid worked for my skin really well, and even this one works really well. So yeah, if you have dry skin, just buy products with hyaluronic acid and it will really help for your skin. So what I really like about this product is that once applied on your skin, it will just immediately absorb into your skin. It will not look greasy or anything on your skin. It just sinks into your skin right away, leaving it very moisturizing. Now it's not something, if you have like extremely dry skin, it will not really heal your skin. Like if you have eczema and all, then you definitely need something more emollient, something more creamy and rich in texture. This is not very rich in texture. It's like a lightweight moisturizer. So this would work for people with a dry combination and also oily skin. I think it will definitely work across all skin types except like extremely eczema wala dry skin type. The second sleeping mask that I've tried is this Glow Vitamin C Sleep Mask, and this is how it looks like. Again, it's very similar to the hyaluronic acid one only, except the fact that this is like slightly more thicker in texture. And also, like, one more heads up for you guys, Dot & Key skincare products are very they have a high amount of silicones in it. So I really don't know what a high amount of silicone can do to your skin. I think it clogs your pores or something like that. My skin has never broken out because of these products, but if you have a very acne prone skin, then just do a patch test first and then start using these products. So yeah, this is one thing that I like noticed right away when I started using products by Dot & Key, that they are very high in silicones. So do your research and then purchase the products. So this sleeping mask retails for 1095 rupees, which I think is slightly up there for the product. And also the ingredients are hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, ceramides, lotus flower, pumpkin, blood orange and pineapple. You can actually smell pineapple and all of these like citrusy fruits in this product. It smells really good. Yeah, it has a very fruity scent. I do really like this product. If you want something specifically with vitamin C, then go ahead with this one. But if you really don't care about vitamin C, then definitely go ahead with this one, because this is slightly cheaper as well and also works equally similar to this vitamin C one only, except the fact that the vitamin C one has some extra benefits because of vitamin C, obviously. So since we're talking about vitamin C, I want to talk about this serum as well, which I've recently received from Dot & Key. This is the Glow Revealing Vitamin C Serum Concentrate, and this is how it looks like. This is actually the only one serum that I have from Dot & Key, and I am loving this. I have been using this since the past 1 week, I guess, and I am just obsessed with it. I've also kept the packaging just to show you guys how cute the packaging is. So it comes in a box like this with all the information over here, and you just open it like this. It has a magnetic closure, and this is how the product was kept in. As you guys can see, the packaging is a whole another experience. I really love Dot & Key's packaging. And talking about the serum, I am loving this. I have included this serum in my daytime as well as my nighttime skincare routine, and it's just such a nice hydrating lightweight serum. It also has a stopper and a really nice dropper to dispense the product. So this is actually a water-based serum. It is not at all oily on your skin. If you guys have specifically oily skin, then I think you will really love this serum. It is so hydrating and just quickly absorbs into the skin. You will not even, like, once absorbed in the skin, you will not see the product on your skin. So that's something that I really like. It will not leave your skin oily or sticky. Some serums do leave your skin really sticky, which is the most annoying feeling ever. From the packaging to the formula, I think this product is just amazing. It is definitely one of my favorite Dot & Key skincare products. This serum retails for 1045 rupees, and also the key ingredients in the product are bear berries, peony root extract, acerola cherry, kakadu, plum, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. It has some really unique ingredients in it. I don't know what all of the other ingredients do, but it has hyaluronic acid, again good for dry skin. I think this is again the kind of product that would work for all skin types. If you have oily skin, you will love it because it's so lightweight and it's non-greasy, and if you have dry skin, you will love it because it's a water-based serum, so it is really hydrating on the skin, and also it has hyaluronic acid. So I think this is that one product that I genuinely recommend you guys to go and purchase. Now talking about my least favorite product by Dot & Key, it's the Dot & Key Lip Plumping Sleeping Mask with vitamin C and E, and this is how it looks like. Firstly, I'll talk about the things that I like about this product. I love the fact that it's affordable. I think it retails for 645 rupees, and this one has 35 ml of product. Can you imagine 35 ml of lip sleeping mask, and it only retails for 645? I think it's a really nice price point, and also the quantity is just amazing. This was like filled up till here, and I think the quantity is just amazing. The packaging of this product is slightly different because this is a light plastic and it's not a glass bottle like this one. And also one more thing that I like about the product is the kind of tint that it gives. I think this tint looks actually really good on my lips. This is the tint that it gives. I really like it. Coming on to the things that I don't actually like about the product, I don't like the fact that it is not at all long lasting. Like this lip sleeping mask, it is supposed to be a mask, right? You are supposed to leave it overnight on your lips, but this is not at all long lasting. It is, if you use this during the daytime, I know it's not something that is meant to be used during the daytime, but in case if you use this during the daytime, it will just come off your lips in a couple of minutes. If you eat, if you drink anything, it will just come off your lips, and it will actually make your lips a little more chapped, which kind of defeats the purpose of the product, right? It is supposed to make your lips feel plump and moisturized, and it should heal your chapped lips, but it's not something that actually heals your chapped lips. I think the only great thing about the product is the tint that it gives and nothing else. and the vitamin C and E that it has, that's it. That's the only good thing about the product. If you are looking for a nice big jar of lip sleeping mask, then go for it. I think the quantity, the price is amazing. Price ke hisab se I think the product is good. But if it was like priced even higher, then I would have definitely not recommended this to you guys. So it's not a complete fail, but it's like an average product. It's not, I don't hate this product. I'm still using the product. So yeah, I don't hate it. By the way, I saved the packaging of one of the jars just to show you guys how it looks like. This is how the carton looks like. I think it looks so cute. The packaging is just amazing. I love it. You open it from here and the product is inside. So yeah, I think the packaging gets 10 on 10 from my side. So talking about the clay mask, I think they have again a great variety of masks. They have bubble mask, they have charcoal mask, chocolate flavored mask. They also have an underarm mask. So I think they have a great variety of masks. If you are looking for a really nice brand for clay masks or anything, then I think Dot & Key is the way to go. So I've tried out of these two masks that I have, the green and the pink one, I've only tried the pink one. The green one is an acne defense mask and my skin is not at all acne prone, so I think I might give that away to someone. But I've tried the glow reviving vitamin C pink clay mask and I'm really loving it. I'm not someone who really use masks a lot, but whenever I do, I think I'm definitely gonna reach out for this one. The one thing that I really loved about this mask is that it did not make my skin very dry. You know, sometimes after using a clay mask, especially if you're someone who has really dry skin, after using a clay mask, your skin can really be dry. It can suck all the moisture from your skin, and this one is not something that made my skin extremely dry. Yes, my skin does get a little bit dry after using clay mask because that's just how my skin is, but it was not extremely dry like the other clay masks that I've used in the past. So yes, this one is again really good if you have acne prone skin. If you have really oily skin, then definitely try Dot & Key mask. I'm gonna read a little bit about this product as well. So this retails for 845 rupees, which is not a bad price actually. And the ingredients that I actually understand in this product are hyaluronic acid, French pink clay, it has acerola cherry and cacao plum. So yeah, again, like enriched with really nice products. And the green one, which is an acne defense mask, retails for 695 rupees, which is again not bad. And this one has tamanu oil, I don't know what is that. It has matcha tea, it has eucalyptus oil and willow bark extract. Again, really nice ingredients. If you guys want to try out clay mask from Dot & Key, I think they're really good. Go ahead and try it. So with that, we come to an end of this video. If you guys want to purchase any of these products, you guys can use my code RAINA10. I'm gonna leave it on the screen, and also I'm gonna leave all the product links in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.